Hello students, in this audio module English test, you will see a list of questions on the screen. Read the questions carefully. Please listen to the audio attentively, which will play after the instructions. You need to answer the questions based on what you hear in the audio module. Good luck. Imagine this: you're at the beach, feeling the sand between your toes and watching the waves crash against the shore, but then, you notice pieces of plastic scattered around: bottle caps, food wrappers, even plastic bags. This is the unfortunate reality on beaches worldwide. Every year, millions of tons of plastic waste end up in our oceans, harming marine animals, polluting water, and affecting entire ecosystems. Plastic is everywhere in our daily lives, from packaging to clothing to household items. While it's convenient and durable, plastic has a serious downside: it doesn't decompose like other materials. Instead, it breaks into smaller pieces called microplastics, which are nearly impossible to clean up. Scientists have found microplastics in fish, water, and even the air we breathe. It's clear that we need solutions. So how did this plastic crisis begin? Plastic was first developed in the early 1900s, but it didn't become widely used until the 1950s. Back then, it was seen as a miracle material because it was lightweight, cheap, and could be molded into almost anything. Companies and consumers quickly embraced plastic, not realizing the environmental impact. By the time people became aware of the problem, plastic was already deeply embedded in daily life. Today, scientists and environmentalists are searching for ways to reduce plastic pollution. Many believe recycling is one answer, but it's not enough. Less than 10% of all plastic produced has actually been recycled. This is partly because certain plastics are too difficult or expensive to recycle, and partly because we produce so much of it. There are also creative solutions such as creating biodegradable plastics. One innovative project, known as the Ocean Cleanup, uses large barriers to capture plastic in the ocean before it breaks into microplastics. Another initiative, called Plastic Bank, allows people in countries heavily affected by plastic pollution to trade plastic for money or other goods. Many people are switching to reusable bags, water bottles, and containers. Some cities have even banned single-use plastics, such as straws and plastic bags, to reduce waste. By choosing eco-friendly products, recycling properly, each of us can make a difference. The mystery of how to solve plastic pollution is complex, but with creativity and determination, we're closer to finding a solution every day for a cleaner, healthier planet.